Hi friends, in this question we are given AB whole square equals CCB. ABC are integers and this three digit number CCB is actually greater than 300. We have to find what is A, what is B, what is C. Right. This is a very easy problem. We know AB square is ending in B. Right. B square is ending in B. Which are those which are those digits that will end in the same digit when they are square? We have those three as 156 only. For example, 2 square ends in 4, 3 square ends in 9, 4 square in 6, 5 square in 5, likewise. So we have only these three numbers. Right. Because 7 also you can check, 7 ends in 9, 8 ends in 4. Likewise, we have only these three numbers, 156 that will end in the same digit. Right. So that means B can be 156. And CCB is a three digit number and it is greater than 300. Right. So what are the various options for AB now? 16 square is 256. This will not work. 21 square can work because 21 square is greater than 300. 25, 26, 31, 35. Right. 35 will also not work because it will end in four digits. Now if you see, directly we don't even need to check for others. 21 square is exactly fitting here. Right, 21 square is 441. So that means AB is 2, 1 and C is 4. We just broken down the problem. It's just a simple problem. AB square is ending in three digits, is resulting in three digits. That means we have only the options of 21, 25, 26, 31. Only these four numbers only. Right. Other numbers we don't need to check because they don't end in 1 or 5 or 6. And anything below 21, whatever those numbers, the square will not be 300. And beyond 31, you can check, right? 35 square is beyond 1000. Beyond 1000 means it is not three digit. Right, guys? This is such a simple basic problem. So CAT gives these kind of simple problems also. Just that we need to be watchful. Once we catch the trick right, it becomes very straightforward. Right, guys?